We guide you through how to change the language on Amazon and switch it back to English in just a few steps. First thing you need to do is open the Amazon app or go to Amazon's website and sign in to your account. Next, look for the globe icon or menu button, then tap Language or Language Settings. From there, select English as your preferred language and confirm your choice. If you are using the mobile app, scroll down in the menu until you see Settings. Tap Country and Language and choose English for you to use. Once applied, Amazon will instantly refresh and display everything in English, including menus, product descriptions, and account settings, making it easy to navigate the platform again. So that's it.